Need to catch a train at 3:15 but don't know how to say that in Japanese? By the end of this, you will. Let's learn time. Hey there, friend. Welcome back to Easy Japanese Talk. I'm Mia, and with me,
ヒロです。皆さん、こんにちは。
Hiro. Okay, quick question. It's 2 o'clock right now. How do I ask you, what time is it in Japanese?
今、何時ですか？今、何時ですか？
Ima nan-ji desu ka? What time is it now? See? We're diving straight in. If you're new here, welcome. We make Japanese fun and practical. And if you've been following our journey, you just learned how to shop in episode 8. Today, we're tackling time. Hours, minutes, schedules, everything. If you missed earlier episodes, check out our Beginner Basics playlist after this. All right, let's break down that question. Ima nan-ji desu ka? Ima means now. Nan means what, remember from episode 8? Ji means o'clock or hour. So literally, now what hour is it? Say it slowly. Ima nan-ji desu ka?
今、何時ですか？
Perfect. Now, before we answer that, we need to learn how to say the hours. Good news, you already know numbers from episode 4. We just add G after the number. 1 o'clock is
1時、1時、
ichiji, 1 o'clock. 2 o'clock,
2時、2時、
niji. 3 o'clock,
3時、3時、
sanji. See the pattern? Number plus G. Now, 4 o'clock is special. Remember, 4 can be yon or shi. For time, we say
4時、4時、
yoji, 4 o'clock. Not yonji or shiji, it's yoji. 5 o'clock,
5時、5時、
goji. 6 o'clock,
6時、6時、
rokuji. 7 o'clock, another special one.
7時、7時、
Shichiji. For 7, we use shichi, not nana. 8 o'clock,
8時、8時、
hachiji. 9 o'clock, special too.
9時、9時、
Kuji. For 9, we say ku, not q. 10 o'clock,
10時、10時、
juji. 11 o'clock,
11時、11時、
juichiji. 12 o'clock,
12時、12時、
juniji. Let's review the special ones. 4 o'clock is yoji, 7 o'clock is shichiji, 9 o'clock is kuji. Got it? Now let's practice. I'll ask the time, Hiro answers. What time is it?
3時です。3時です。
Sanji desu. It's 3 o'clock. Again, what time?
7時です。7時です。
Shichiji desu. 7 o'clock. One more.
10時です。10時です。
Juji desu. 10 o'clock. Great. Now, how do you say AM and PM? Morning hours, AM is
午前、午前、
Gozen. AM. You put this before the time, so 9 a.m. is
午前9時、午前9時、
Gozen Kuji, 9 in the morning. Afternoon/evening hours, PM is
午後、午後、
Gogo, PM. So 3 p.m. is
午後3時、午後3時、
Gogo Sanji, 3 in the afternoon. But here's the thing. In everyday conversation, Japanese people often don't use Gozen and Gogo. Instead, they say the time of day. Morning is
朝、朝、
asa, morning. So 9 in the morning can be
朝9時、朝9時、
asa kuji, morning 9 o'clock, more natural. Afternoon is
昼、昼、
hiru, afternoon. Night is
夜、夜、
yoru, night. So 8 at night is
夜8時、夜8時、
yoru hachiji, night 8 o'clock. This sounds more casual. Quick cultural note. In Japan, many places use 24-hour time, especially for train schedules. So 1 p.m. might be written as 1300. But in conversation, people usually stick to 12-hour time with context.
Conversation easy. 12-hour.
Exactly. All right, you're already telling time like a local. And if you're finding this helpful, hit that subscribe button now. We're releasing practical Japanese lessons regularly, and each one builds your skills.
Subscribe, please.
Now, let's tackle minutes. Okay, you can say hours, but what about minutes? This gets a bit tricky, but stay with me. The word for minute is fun or pun. It changes based on the number. 1 minute.
1分。1分。
1分. 1 minute. See how it became 1分, not 1分? 2 minutes.
2分。2分。
2分. 3 minutes.
3分。3分。
3分. Notice it's pun, not fun. 4 minutes.
4分。4分。
4分. 5 minutes.
5分。5分。
5分. Okay, I know this seems random, but there's a pattern. The sound changes to make it easier to say. Don't worry about memorizing all this. You'll get used to it. Here are the important ones. 5 minutes.
5分。
10 minutes.
10分。
10分. 15 minutes.
15分。
15分. 20 minutes.
20分。
20分. 30 minutes. This one has a special word.
30分。or 半。
Han, half. Instead of saying 30分, you can just say han for 30 minutes or half past. Super useful. Now let's put hours and minutes together. Pattern is hour, then minute. So 3:15, 3 o'clock, 15 minutes is
3時15分。3時15分。
3時15分. Easy. How about 7:30, 7 o'clock, 30 minutes?
7時半。7時半。
7時半. See how we used han for 30? Super common. Let's try 9:45, 9 o'clock, 45 minutes.
9時45分。9時45分。
9時45分. Perfect. Let's practice some real times. What time is it? It's 2:30.
2時半です。2時半です。
2時半です. What time is it? It's 6:20.
6時20分です。6時20分です。
6時20分です. One more. It's 11:10.
11時10分です。11時10分です。
11時10分です. You're getting it. Now let's learn useful time expressions. What time, when asking about plans, is
何時？何時？
nan-ji, what time? So if someone says, let's meet tomorrow, you ask, nan-ji, what time? Around or about, when you're not being exact, is
ぐらい。ぐらい。
gurai, around. So around 3 is
3時ぐらい。3時ぐらい。
sanji gurai, about 3. From, when talking about time ranges, is
から。から。
kara. Remember from episode 2? It works for time too. Until or to is
まで。まで。
made, until. So from 9 to 5, work hours is
9時から5時まで。9時から5時まで。
9時から5時まで, 9 to 5. Perfect for schedules. Let's practice making plans. I'll suggest something. Hiro asks about time. Ready? Hey, let's get coffee tomorrow.
いいですね。何時？
いいですね. Nan-ji? Sounds good. What time? How about around 2?
2時ぐらい？ 2時ぐらい？
2時ぐらい? Around 2? Yeah, perfect.
いいですよ。いいですよ。
Sounds good. See how natural that felt? Now let's talk about daily schedules. Now that you can tell time, let's describe daily schedules. First, useful time words. Every day is
毎日、毎日。
mainichi, every day. Morning, we learned asa. Afternoon, hiru. Evening is
夕方、夕方。
yugata, evening. And night, yoru. Now, how do you say I wake up at 7? The phrase to wake up is
起きます、起きます。
okimasu, wake up. So I wake up at 7 every morning is
毎朝7時に起きます。毎朝7時に起きます。
mayasa 7時に起きます. Mayasa is every morning. Notice the ni after the time? That marks when something happens. How about I go to work at 9? To go is
行きます、行きます。
ikimasu, go. Work is
仕事、仕事。
shigoto, work. So I go to work at 9 is
9時に仕事に行きます。9時に仕事に行きます。
9時に仕事に行きます. See the pattern? Time plus ni, then what you do. Let's do a complete practice about schedules. I'll ask Hiro about his day. Ready? Hiro, what time do you usually wake up? 何時に起きますか?
6時半に起きます。I wake up at 6:30.
Wow, early. What time do you go to work?
8時に仕事に行きます。8時に仕事に行きます。I go at 8.
And what time do you finish? 何時に終わりますか?
5時に終わります。5時に終わります。I finish at 5.
Perfect. 終わります means finish. See how useful time talk is? Let's do one final mega practice. Complete scenarios with everything we learned. Ready? Scenario 1. You're meeting a friend. They ask what time?
3時半はどうですか ?3 時半はどうですか ?How about 3:30?
3時半はどうですか? Scenario 2. At a train station, asking when the next train is.
次の電車は何時ですか次の電車は何時ですか When's the next train? 次 is next.
Scenario 3. Someone asks your daily schedule.
毎朝7時に起きます。9時から5時まで仕事です。
Perfect. I wake up at 7 every morning. Work is from 9 to 5.
できた !You did it!
You really did. Let's review. What time is it? 今何時ですか? Hours, number plus G. Special hours, 4時、7時、9時. AM, Gozen. PM, Gogo. Half past, hun. From, kara. Until, made. At time, ni. Around, gurai. Every day, mainichi.
Perfect.
You can now tell time, make plans, and talk about schedules in Japanese. That's huge. Challenge time. Look at your daily schedule and describe it in Japanese. What time do you wake up? Eat lunch? Go to bed? Practice saying these times out loud.
いい練習 Good practice.
The best. And think about this. 9 episodes in, you're building real communication skills, from greetings to making plans with specific times. Incredible progress. If today's episode helped you understand time in Japanese, hit that thumbs up. It lets me know this format is working and helps other learners find us.
お願いします。Please.
And I'm curious, what's your daily schedule like? Are you a morning person or night owl? What time do you wake up? Tell me in the comments. Next time, episode 10, we're learning transportation and directions. Trains, buses, taxis, asking for directions, reading signs. Super practical for traveling in Japan.
交通 Transportation Next time.
Can't wait. You did amazing today. Time is something you use constantly, and now you can handle it in Japanese. Seriously impressive.
またね、皆さん。
じゃあね。